How to share a tweet on Discord easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to share a tweet on Discord directly. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your twitter.com, and you can do this on your laptop PC or even on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are also logged into your Discord server or wherever you want to share. So let's get to Twitter, and here I can just select any random tweet that I want to share. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one right here. All right. So let's say I want to share this tweet by Cosmic, and what I will do is I will click on this option. You can see this is a share option we get on Twitter. Click on share, and what we can do is we can copy this link of the tweet. So I'm going to click on copy. Now we'll get to Discord here, and you will just select the server you want to go for. Let's actually go for maybe this one. Okay. So I will just paste the link. You can see this is our link. Click enter, and the post will be shared on Discord. And you can see if it's a video, if it's a photo. So it's actually directly embedded here, and you can play this video within your Discord chat too. So this is the easiest way to do that. On your mobile phone, you can also click on share option, and if you click on share tweet via, what will happen is you will also get different options, because on our phone we do get the option of if you want to share it on different social media, so you will also get Discord there. So you can share that way too, but this is the easiest way to do so. Just copy the link of the tweet, select the server, and share it within a second. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.